What to expect from the wardrobe makeover course I'm offering online called True You, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. Essentially, the course is designed for you to do your own makeover at home at your pace, but I have broken it into a number of small one session practical tasks in order to help you make sense of the process and to break it down into manageable pieces. Also, in order to help you make decisions methodically rather than in a linear, efforting, overwhelming way. There is a host of those mini assignments, but there's also emotional support for anything that might crop up in the course because when we handle physical belongings, we are interacting with memories, with energy sitting in objects, and indeed with potentially overwhelming choices. And so there will be emotional intelligence tools and exercises to help you walk yourself through those experiences without squishing or giving up. What else? This process is very much supportive of empathic, compassionate, authentic approach to life and to choices. So it is not the kind of makeover um, that you might have seen on TV where people just throw everything away and completely um, start from scratch uh, with the furniture and with clothes. Indeed, it's the opposite. We'll be using, or the guidance is to use mostly or only what you have already, both in terms of clothes and in terms of furniture, but to bring more organization, more creativity, and more skill to how we are using these things. There are several decluttering principles that will help you design how you organize, lay out, and use clothes to have better experience, more joy, and more ease, and more beauty from how you arrange things. And there will be also an opportunity to connect with where you are in life, see what really matters and what no longer matters as much as you thought, and to make the use of your space and of your resources accordingly. The process itself is quite dynamic in terms of in the invitation to move things, to change things, to refresh things. So you have an opportunity to do some spring cleaning, to make alterations to the physical space, and indeed also to experiment a little bit with how you dress, with how you put outfits together, because overall people in the West have got too many garments but not enough skill and creativity for making good use of them. And so the guidance available here will be how to have only as many things as you will get around to using and you can find easily and you can handle easily within the space you have, but to make much more satisfying use of it all. So you will go through the exercises and the assignments at your pace and in your way, but there'll be an opportunity to get some advice, some problem solving, and some support through any emotional blocks together, and to get encouragement from others going through the process also. I hope this gives you some sense of what to expect, and I would really love you to get support, to lean into this beautiful, actually fun process, and to have a truly wardrobe and clothes system that blesses every morning and gives you ease and joy.